Okay, we're live, and started that one, and it's 11:02 Tuesday, October 19, right there. Like I said, it's Tuesday, October 19, 11:02, right? All right, one more time. There you go. Okay, fine. And then this is a let's see here. This is a RT-8900s right here. Show it for this camera. See that ever so briefly in the back there, hopefully. Maybe y'all can see it, I don't know. On the, I got two cameras going. I'm using the Motorola camera this time as opposed to the other camera. This is the remote. This is the package, the way it came. Hopefully y'all can see this. They really tried to compact it. It sounds like it has batteries in it, I'm not sure. It rattles, that gives me that kind of rattle. So without further ado, let's see. I can see myself in that camera. I can't see myself in the Facebook camera. But I've already, whatever. This arrived yesterday. It was supposed to arrive sooner, but it didn't, but who knows. This is a Japanese version. That one there is a, oh, by the way, let me play it. A little background music. This one's running on batteries, obviously. It's the only way I like timer radios. I can plug them into the cord, but who cares, right? That's only for those of you that are homebound and unafraid, don't want to get outside. I don't know why. I only ever see pictures of people with the radios inside the house, bad lighting and all that. That's why I bring these things outside here and do it. I could do this inside, and I'm going to shoot a video hopefully soon today on the inside about a wholly different model. Yeah. So here we got, okay. So anyway, so there's that. This has got some Japanese paper, right? And it's bubble wrapped. Okay, so alright, so there it is. Here that goes. And that's the front of it. And by the way, this is missing one switch cap cover, but I can feel through the plastic wrap that the thing is there. Here's the power cord. All right. Scissors. Here we go. See if we can preserve any of this plastic wrap. A little bit. It's very thin, but I don't expect cassette to play, but that was already noted, and it's also somewhat dirty, as it was shown in the listing, but I got it for very little because it was dirty and it doesn't work. Or, you know, supposedly the radio works. But beyond that, I just don't know. Alright, so now, here's the beginning of the wrap on the bottom. Okay. Great. Okay, so now, yep, it's like rusted on top here somewhat. The controls are all there. Like I said, it's missing this one switch cap cover, and it's all in Japanese writing here. So this has got your, okay, already know this is your mono stereo wide. And one of these is going to be your chrome switches. The other one is your VU button. Then, unlike mine, which is different, because this one has the stereo wide, stereo, and mono there. So this will be my auxiliary. Oh, this is an AM/FM switch. Okay, because this one has. Oh, I see. So this is rotary. Okay, and this must be a mic mixing thing, and then that's probably the power button. So this is a power button here for the radio, but the tape will play without it working. So it's okay. All right. So the controls are the same. They're just laid out differently on the top. Okay, and then get the power cord. So standard oval power cord for the standard plug at this end. Who cares? We've got zillions of these things. All right, so here's that. Here's this. That and there. This is here. Okay. And like I said, it sounded like it was rattling, so let's check out the battery compartment. It does have. Oh my God. Okay. Well, this has some really nasty batteries in here. Can you see that? Can you see that there? So, yeah, these are alkaline and just National Ultra Alkaline. So that one says, these are just, throw this whole thing away. Throw that away. What is this? It's a National NEO. Top seller, no mercury added. I don't even know, that's just, okay, fine. So that, so that, is that it? Okay, so the battery compartment is, I can clean that, that's nothing. Alright, so let's put this back on here. And, okay, like I said, I don't know what's going to happen. Plug it in. It does have a DC input right here, which is 12 volt, and your standard plug. All right. So let me turn my tape deck off. There we go. And let's take this. Get my power supply here, which is a Go Power Plus, 147 watt hours or something like that. Good to run the Kaboom for about 3 hours of full power. So the battery gives out, so it's got a lot of juice in here. Okay, so turn that on, great. Turn that on, plug it in, see what happens. So, got sound, something. Oh, that's just, okay, that's, put it on, okay, it's on FM, there, got that going. So, just lay it out the same way. This will be bass, this should be treble, this should be balance, and this is a dual volume, so, here, let's crank that. That was very hard to turn, but both of them cranked all the way up. Okay. See if you can hear the tape deck. Well, that opens, closes, opens. Well, I can't hear anything. Oh, another project. There we go. Here's the motor running. That works, but this obviously needs a lot of work. Now that'll be a project to get this running. And this is rusted on top here, so oh well. Well, it wants to do something. Tuner, it tunes. Needle goes across. Okay, this just needs a whole lot of cleaning. Alright, well, I've had too much fun. Gotta go put this inside, put it away, and work on another day when I have lots of time to play with these things. Okay, and this is, let's see here. I'll just bring this up close to the camera. Okay, so this is a, looks like that. Man. Looks like this. Okay, so it looks like that, looks like this. And it's there. Yeah, okay. Someone messaged me. And that's what it says in the back. Wait, there we go. That's what it says in the back. Toshiba RT-8900s, but it's definitely not the same as this one here, which also says 8900C whatever in the back. So just too much fun. They're the same almost. This one works as you heard it. This one here doesn't work, but oh well, had too much fun. Alright, well, boy. Let me shut down the Facebook and like that, and here, just take it out of there. How are we doing? Okay. So just like this is a just like that. Okay, so that's what this looks like on top. Full view, close up. And this one is like that, and then well, I'll be stepping into the bushes here, but anyway, that one's faded and this one's working. Okay. Alright, I've had too much fun. Let me finish this. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Alright, Joel Taylor, hello. Bye-bye. Oh, I'm sorry, this one's still running. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Good day. Bye-bye.